Hi everyone, this is Learn With Me by Jay, and today we're going to be making an all-natural hair mist. So this DIY is very easy. We'll be using some rose water, glycerin, and essential oil of your choice. So this is the plastic spray bottle that I'll be using. I'm going to spray it with some alcohol and keep it aside. I'll be using this glass bowl, and we will start by pouring in 50 grams of distilled water. Now you can use tap water, but I would prefer if you use distilled water because tap water is calcified and it will dry your hair. Now for the rose water, we will be using 47 grams of that. Rose water nourishes the scalp. It will stimulate the hair follicles as well as promote hair growth, which is amazing. We will add 2 grams of glycerin. Now glycerin is a humectant, meaning it can pull in moisture from the air, which will keep your hair hydrated and healthy. And for the final product, we will be using a couple of drops of lavender essential oil. Now, lavender oil conditions the hair follicles, which will reduce frizziness. It will also treat hair loss and dandruff. Now for the rose petals, it is optional. I like using them because rose petals are high in vitamins. Now personally, I use this hair mist every day. It has a lot of benefits. It suits all hair types. It will help smooth your hair texture and frizziness. It will instantly revitalize your hair as well as nourishes the hair with essential vitamins and minerals. I hope you guys like this easy but effective DIY, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know down in the comments.